elected yon.
As when you, because you only have very few time, no? Kunti na lang yung time mo. So probably not everything that should have a complete ministerial form of government should work.
Okay.
But then what we're saying is that the basics, the fundamentals of what a ministerial form of government would be, more or less, they're able to put it na there.
Ilang mga tao yan, ma'am?
Of a BTA kasi nga it may not be as complete as it should be in the law. No, yeah. You will have to run a regional government, baka it becomes difficult. And so there's going to have to be a balance between how do you run it effectively in a ministerial form of government.
Composition, ma'am.
I can't say kung ilan pa yung composition niya eh. But
what would be the president's guiding principle? Who will, for example, who will he appoint as temporary chief minister sa BTA? Paano yun?
well,
Will it necessarily be the MILF?
well, in a sense, because this is an agreement between them, and this is the opportunity where they can put in place what they envision is good governance as far as Muslim Mindanao is concerned. So siguro naman, it's but fitting and just that we give them that opportunity to lead it.
But we will? Or is that parang, yeah, MILF will lead the BTA for the meantime?
Yeah,
Okay,
it's going to be that. But it's not MILF only. What we're saying is that the leadership will come from them, but it's inclusive of all the cross-section of Bangsamoro.
We're talking about the deputy already, the assembly.
Yeah. So you have now, you now have their different representations, because that's the Ministry of Government. So you now have, that's why we're inviting MNLF, no, that they can join this. We're inviting the traditional politicians.
Will the president appoint an MNLF member in the BTA?
Siguro kung magkaisa sila. Kung magkaisa sila and they will join this process and they believe in this process, why not? This is, as quoting the MILF, they don't have an exclusive franchise.
And they're open.
And I think they're open for them. But what we need are people who will genuinely invest in this and really make it work effectively. That's the kind of people that we want to be part in the beginning.
So right now, how can we say
Of course.
Every time.
Since the beginning.
Kasi hindi nila alala ko kasi nung sa FAP, di ba parang sinasabi, very significant, there was just one word na kailangan na lang.
Yeah.
Dito, meron din.
Yeah, of course, all the time, because the ultimate pa rin talaga is the president. And sa MI din, it's chairman.
May ganun scenario dyan yan, no?
Naghanap ka ng drama
Several,
dramatic
mga
moments
ganon.
naman.
Oo,
But
may
did
mga
you have to call the president?
No, what we're saying is we relate to channels that we have chair and secretary Deles. Yeah. So we have Secretary Deles, and then we have as the chair of the as the OPAP, of our immediate principal. Diba? So ganun yung talaga.
Pwede ko bang sabihin na BTA will be